See, when I play this thing here on the on the leather, I have to give it small allowance for folding. All these places, you have to fold it like this. I be not so. Sorry. So I will give it a small border at the edges for right. Let's assuming this one will end. It will be like this. All right. This is the front part. All right. This is the front part. So this other side, by so doing, I've been able to incorporate the two leather, skillfully. Joshua, they are condemning your play. I don't mind them.
That's why it get more.
Can somebody tell me why I'm giving this body? Good. Now before I put this, where's our foam? Give me that pen. I will apply this material, this foam, on the marco to give it this foamy appearance. Huh? In the market, Abi? No, to cover it. Don't worry. Now I will not put. Where is my? Where is it called? My. No, my what's it called? Overall.
I give it to you.
Okay. So we will now apply gum on the macro. The reason why I'm putting this foam is to give it that soft, velvety, feel. So this bag we are seeing is actually gum consuming. It consumes a lot of gum. So if you are making your bag, gum is very expensive now in the market. The Nigerian situation is very, very funny. We pray everything will come back to normal.
500.
Today?
Before.
Cost of drugs. We can produce our own without pocket.
No.
After 1 day, no more.
1 day.
So about
You still know this last. You don't spoil.
When was that?
It's about 3 weeks now. I could not cry.
This is a design leather.
Monkey skin.
It's sweet.
Yes.
It's more than that.
In 1 month, you don't spend half of the month. Not 2 months.
Hello.
Everybody is
So go to which way now?
So we allow this one to dry. So can somebody come and check whether they bought our fuel, so we can.
You will check to
Check to budget.
Welcome, man.
You know, trade from national theater. I don't call me now. May I send that police? I helicopter come and pick me.
Everything.
I'm not calling me. I use that helicopter.
Yeah. We're married each other.
Your intelligence. Carefully lay it on it so the bag is gradually taking shape. Let me get it. Let's carve out the edges. So we now put small gum at the base of the flower that will hold the leaf in place. So the next stage is to create the inner lining for the bag and also for the side also. If I'm creating the inner lining for the bag, all right, I will make sure it's smaller than than this shape itself. So to take this shape, it will be smaller because that one is coming on the inside. This traffic in the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I'll be going on. So then I will now I will now apply the gum carefully. So this one will overlap it like this. Just like the way the bag is. You understand it? I'm trying to work fast. So you can all live well inside. No, when you are doing your own, you can now apply, you can now put your brand here. As the case may be, just here. At the footprint.
Years before.
So this one is. Are you sure?
Yeah.
How Jambo?
You pay for it.
I said you pay for it.
Your size. What's the one?
So you can see it.
So it goes for the highest bidder.
You will drive, you will pull it there while. I'm using it for your size 40. I will push it to the front like this. You show your hand it. So you have the length. Okay.
So I'll do this.
So you can see our steppers is gradually taking shape. Clear the table. Clear the table.
Where is the phone?
Good job, everybody.
Yeah.
This will be perfect.